Hello! Welcome back to ESL Universe. My name is Kalita, and today we are here to practice those difficult TH sounds. We talked about them a couple of weeks ago and how to properly form the TH sound. As a quick review, don't forget to make sure that your tongue is coming between your teeth for the pronunciation of TH. Remember that the tongue position and the mouth position are the same for both the voiced and the unvoiced sounds. Today we will be using both in the sentences that we're practicing. So don't forget to make sure that you know whether it is the voiced or the unvoiced sound that you are using. Let's start today by going over some sentences that use TH at the beginning of words. You can sew those with thread. You can sew those with thread. Sore throat? Headache? What does the thermometer say? Sore throat? Headache? What does the thermometer say? I sat in the 13th row at the theater. I sat in the 13th row at the theater. On Thursday, I hurt my thumb on a thorn. On Thursday, I hurt my thumb on a thorn. This, that, and the other thing. This, that, and the other thing. The thunderstorm scared my 3 cats, Thane, Thor, and Theo. The thunderstorm scared my 3 cats, Thane, Thor, and Theo. He threw the ball to third base. He threw the ball to third base. The throne sat empty while we ate Thanksgiving dinner. The throne sat empty while we ate Thanksgiving dinner. I was thankful my water was in a thermos. I was thankful my water was in a thermos. This frozen dinner will thaw in 30 minutes. This frozen dinner will thaw in 30 minutes. Now that we've practiced some sentences that use TH at the beginning of words, let's try some sentences that use TH at the end of words. The sloth is thinking in the bath. The sloth is thinking in the bath. The phone booth is north of here. The phone booth is north of here. Math is part of the path to excellence. Math is part of the path to excellence. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Did you remember your toothbrush and toothpaste? Did you remember your toothbrush and toothpaste? The blacksmith walked down the path. The blacksmith walked down the path. I saw a woolly mammoth last Thursday. I saw a woolly mammoth last Thursday. The booth is to the south. The booth is to the south. The wreath is hanging on the door. The wreath is hanging on the door. Meredith can see her breath in winter. Meredith can see her breath in winter. Finally, we're going to focus on some sentences that use TH in the middle of words. Don't forget that just because we're focused on a certain part of the word doesn't mean that we don't use TH in other words and in other positions as well. The athlete saw a moth through the window. The athlete saw a moth through the window. I use mouthwash right after I brush my teeth. I use mouthwash right after I brush my teeth. How was the weather on Martin Luther King Day? How was the weather on Martin Luther King Day? It's the Tooth Fairy's birthday. It's the Tooth Fairy's birthday. The earthquake shook the house. The earthquake shook the house. The wealthy author sipped his tea. The wealthy author sipped his tea. The orthodontist saw a python. The orthodontist saw a python. Why not go through the drive-thru? Why not go through the drive-thru? Toothpicks can help you decide if the bread is done. Toothpicks can help you decide if the bread is done. I saw a flamethrower performance last month. I saw a flamethrower performance last month. My bathrobe is soft and fluffy. My bathrobe is soft and fluffy. Mothballs can help you keep moths away. Mothballs can help you keep moths away. Do you prefer to play games or just throw free throws? Do you prefer to play games or just throw free throws? Truthfully, I never liked anything to do with him anyways. Truthfully, I never liked anything to do with him anyways. My father's toothache is bothering him. My father's toothache is bothering him. The pathway to the top of Plymouth Rock was breathtaking. The pathway to the top of Plymouth Rock was breathtaking. Is your mouth full of birthday cake? Is your mouth full of birthday cake? The panther at the zoo celebrated his 19th birthday. The panther at the zoo celebrated his 19th birthday. The downstairs bathroom's bathmat is blue. The downstairs bathroom's bathmat is blue. There you have it, over 30 sentences using the TH sound. I hope that this practice helps you perfect using the TH sound, both on its own as well as in sentences. If you have any questions, please comment below, or if you have suggestions for my next video, I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on ESL Universe.